The best gaming PCs are the most powerful tool at your disposal for playing the most demanding games and a lot more. Blasting through hordes of foes at rapid frame rates and high resolutions is fun, but you can just as easily use a gaming rig for graphic design, video editing, animation, or simply streaming movies and TV in beautiful 4K. While the PS5 and Xbox Series X deliver plenty of power, they are still no match for one of the best gaming PCs. If you want fast-loading SSDs, gorgeous ray tracing, massive quantities of RAM, and 60+ FPS frame rate, you don't have to wait until the consoles come back in stock. You can have the best gaming PCs right now. And unlike a console, you can upgrade PCs as better components become available. Although some of us love that hassle of part matching, tech sourcing, and putting the whole PC rig together, some still prefer to have a beautifully gaming PC that will just work out of the box. A pre-built PC will spare you the choice paralysis that can accompany building your own rig. To make your life a little easier, I have put together this list of what I believe is the best gaming PCs to help you get a sense of what's available and what you should be on the lookout for when you go bargain hunting. This list is based on my personal opinion and hours of research on what is currently available. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's dive in. At number 5 is Skytech Shadow 3.0 Gaming PC Desktop. This AMD gaming beast blends performance with great looks. It features a customizable RGB lit case with see-through tempered glass on one side. Its advanced cooling ensures you can play popular titles like Battlefield 5, Minecraft, The Division 2 and more at high to ultra settings, crisp QHD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. Popping the panel off, the Skytech Shadow 3.0 gaming computer is combining two powerful hardware, AMD Ryzen 5 3600 6-core processor with Nvidia RTX 3060 Ti graphics card. This is matched with extremely fast 1TB NVMe storage and 16GB RAM with 600 watts power supply unit. Measuring 17.9 by 8.3 by 16.4 inches, with a weight of 32.1 pounds, this exotic futuristic design PC comes with inbuilt Wi-Fi and pre-installed Windows 10. On ports, this PC is covered. It is adorned with two USB 2.0 ports and two USB 3.0 ports, one RJ45 port and 3.5mm audio jack. It's important to mention that there is an Intel version, but I recommend this AMD version since the Intel version only offers a slight FPS improvement and nothing more. Its pros are future compatibility with future Ryzen CPUs, plenty of RGB lighting effects, super great performance because of the RTX 3600 graphics card, optimized cooling. And the cons are Intel version isn't compatible with future CPU upgrades. Micro ATX is used with Ryzen versions. Overall, the Skytech Shadow 3.0 gaming PC offers an excellent price-to-performance ratio. It is capable of playing most modern titles in high to ultra settings. And it's equally good for content creators. Coming in at number 4 is iBuyPower Gaming PC 1000 IV2. The iBuyPower Gaming PC is an aesthetically pleasing PC that is packed with raw power. The RGB lighting gives a special Y-like effect in front of the case, while the transparent tempered glass allows you to see the well-lit magnificent interior. This VR-ready gaming monster features 10th Gen Intel Core i7, Nvidia RTX 2060 graphics card, 16GB RAM memory, 480GB SSD and 2TB HDD. Powered by 650 watts PSU, iBuyPower Gaming PC 1000 IV2 is capable of playing AAA games at maximum settings while still delivering breathtaking visuals. Measuring 23 by 22 by 12 inches and weighing 29.8 pounds, the iBuyPower Gaming PC is a dream gaming machine. It comes with inbuilt Wi-Fi and pre-installed Windows 10. On ports and connectivity, it features two USB 2.0 ports and four USB 3.0 ports, one RJ45 port, HDMI port, DisplayPort and 7.1 audio channel. The pros are: it offers both SSD and HDD storage, very fast performance, good form factor. And the cons are: the SSD it comes with is a bit slow. For the gaming aficionados out there, iBuyPower Gaming PC 1000 IV2 offers raw power performance at a reasonable price, and it's an excellent buy option. At number 3 spot is the Corsair One i164 compact gaming PC. The Corsair One i164 is undeniably the best compact gaming PC in the market right now. Clad in a 2mm thick bead-blasted RGB-lit aluminium shell, Corsair One i164's minimalist ultra-small form factor is elegantly crafted. The CPU and GPU both use independent liquid cooling solutions, and all the hot air is pumped out by a single 140mm maglev fan, hence keeping the PC less noisy even when playing the most demanding games. Under the hood is Intel's 8-core 9th Gen i9, while the GPU is Nvidia's top-end RTX 2080 Ti graphics card. Both are matched with 32GB of RAM memory, 960GB of M.2 SSD and 2TB HDD, which can be replaced with SSD. The PC is powered by 600 watts power supply unit. The small form factor size of Corsair One i164 is quite admirable, measuring just 13.19 by 11.46 by 19.25 inches and weighing 22.6 pounds. This PC is truly petite, compared to other tower PCs. For connectivity and ports, the front consists of two USB 3.1 Gen 1, a combo headphone and mic, and a single VR-ready HDMI port. The rear, meanwhile, consists of two USB 3.1 Gen 2, two USB 3.1 Gen 1, two USB 2.0, 7.1 channel audio, gigabit Ethernet, PS2 and 3 display ports. It also has the ports for connecting the included Wi-Fi aerials. There's also a clear CMOS button in case something goes wrong with the system and you need to do a hard reset on it. The pros are: outstanding performance, small form factor, well designed, low fan noise because of the liquid cooling. And the cons: no air filters on the chassis, which will lead to dust buildup over time. It's a bit heavy. If you are looking for a PC that is capable of playing games like Gears 5 and other top titles on 4K with maxed out settings and well above 60 frames per second, and at 1080p with up to 200 frames per second, the Corsair One i164 is your best option. At number 2 is Omen by HP 30L. The Omen by HP 30L spots a modern, bolder, glassier look. Tiny triangle cutouts around the front panel provide airflow to the 120mm Cooler Master RGB fan within. The top-mounted Omen logo is also RGB backlit. These lighting sources and the interior lighting are individually customizable for color, brightness, and patterns within the Omen Command Center app. I like that the app supports profiles, an especially useful feature for multi-user and family scenarios so that everyone can have their own settings. What a lovely feature! The Omen 30L gets its name from its approximately 30-liter interior volume, measuring 17.7 by 6.5 by 16.6 inches. Combined with a tempered glass left panel and bright interior RGB lighting, the Omen 30L puts off a quality modern vibe. The interior looks like a super gaming machine. It packs a punch with 10th Gen Intel Core i9 and a rampaging Nvidia RTX 3080 graphics card, 1TB SSD and 2TB HDD. The Intel Z490-based ATX motherboard is dotted with passive heatsinks for cooling. Each of its 4 memory slots is filled with 8GB RAM, making a total of 32GB of memory running in dual-channel mode. On connectivity and ports, the Omen 30L has plenty of them. On top of the case, it spots 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, an audio combo, headphone and microphone jack, and a separate microphone jack. At the back of the tower it includes 6 USB Type A ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port, microphone, line-in and line-out jacks. The GeForce RTX 3080 includes 1 HDMI and 3 DisplayPort video outputs. It also has inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The pros are: beautiful chassis design with customizable lighting, easy end-user upgrades, integrated Wi-Fi 6 with no external antenna. And the cons are: noisy fan with CPU-intensive tasks, poor arrangement of cabling inside the tower. HP Omen 30L is a solid pick for a mainstream gaming tower. It's widely configurable with AMD and Intel CPU flavors, overclocking options, and RGB lighting. This machine is a dense black block of computing power. If you value smooth lines and compact design over the flash and spectacle of RGB, you'll appreciate the dark, slightly brooding aesthetic of the Omen. And finally, our number 1 is Alienware Aurora R11 Gaming Desktop. Alienware is a household name when it comes to gaming desktops. While the extraterrestrial styling may not appeal to everyone, their performance remains undeniable. The Aurora case makes a bold statement with its bold, simplistic, funky look that draws the eyes of everyone. The Aurora R11 is offered in different options of Intel and AMD, however, the one we are reviewing is the Intel version. This gaming beast champion offers the most value for money. It comes packed with 10th Gen Intel Core i7, new Nvidia RTX 3080 graphics card which has 10GB VRAM, 32GB RAM, and 1TB M.2 SSD. With this super configuration, this Alienware Aurora R11 plays all AAA games smoothly in ultra settings like a hot knife slicing through butter. The system includes a liquid cooler for the CPU and dual fans cooling system for the GPU. Measuring 17 by 18.9 by 8.77 inches and weighing 39.2 pounds, this gaming PC is a small dynamite. On connectivity and ports, it offers ridiculous number of ports, a combined total of 13 USB 3.0 ports and a couple of USB-C ports, DisplayPort and HDMI. Its pros are: strong CPU performance, excellent 4K gaming, easily upgradable, solid after-sale support. However, the cons are: it runs hot, noisy fan under heavy CPU task, and it's a bit pricey. With an RTX 3080 and an Intel Core 10th Gen Core i7 processor on board, the Aurora R11 is one of the most potent pre-built out there for serious gamers. It can play anything you throw at it. If you're looking for an RTX 3080 powered PC that gives most bang for the buck, Alienware Aurora R11 Gaming Desktop is your perfect choice, as long as you don't mind the fan noise. And that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and would like to see more content like this, consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and deals on all the products mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.